Do you want to know how to turn on or off the notifications app icon badges on your Samsung phone? Well, in this video, I'll show you how to turn on or off the notifications app icon badges on your device. So let's dive in. First, go to the settings, then scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on notifications, then tap on advanced settings from the below. Now scroll down to the bottom, tap on it. Now toggle it on to enable app icon badges. And then you can change the app icon style from here, like number to dot or dot to number. And you can turn on and off notifications and app icons from here as well. And lastly, you can turn off the app icon badges as well. That's it for today. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to ask in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.